we'll see some more problems on pedal equation. So here the question is, obtain the pedal equation for the given curve r is equals to a plus b cos theta. So this is a polar curve, and whenever it is a polar curve, we have to take log on both sides. So first I will write the given equation and mark it as equation number 1. Taking log on both sides, okay, so this becomes log r is equals to log of a plus b into cos theta. Then later we are trying to apply for the logarithmic properties. Are you able to apply for the logarithmic property here? No. This is log of a plus b cos theta. So do not go to apply any property over here. So mark this as equation number 2 after simplification. Now differentiating both sides with respect to theta. So here becomes derivative of log r as 1 by r into dr by d theta. Derivative of log u is 1 by u into differentiation of u. So 1 by u as it is, derivative of a plus b cos theta we have to take. So derivative of a with respect to theta is 0. B is constant. So into it is, so write b as it is. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Hence here remains is b, that is minus b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. So this is cot phi. So our intention is to find for phi. Are we getting phi over here explicitly? No. So in that case, here also we cannot substitute any of the relations such that I will get purely phi. So in that case, what we are going to consider is, we are going to consider p is equals to r sin phi, squaring on both sides and taking the reciprocal and substituting cosec square phi as 1 plus cot square phi. Okay, then go on simplifying by substituting cot phi. What is cot phi? As per the above, we have got minus b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. So cot square phi is there, so minus b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta the whole square. 1 as it is, minus the square is going to become plus, b into sin theta the square, it will become b square sin square theta. And this is a plus b into cos theta the whole square. You cannot split the square for these two terms. Okay. So you have to keep a plus b cos theta the whole square as it is. Okay. Taking the LCM over here. So a plus b into cos theta the whole square plus b square sin square theta whole divided by the denominator. Apply for a plus b the whole square formula. This is a square plus b square means it is b square cos square theta plus 2ab, this is whole b, so b cos theta, and this b square sin square theta will remain same. In the denominator, a plus b the b into cos theta the whole square will remain as it is. If you observe here b square cos square theta is there, here b square sin square theta is there. So taking b square common here, I am going to get here as 1 upon r square is equals into a square plus 2ab cos theta will remain as it is. I am taking b square common and the denominator will remain as it is. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so I am remained with a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square upon a plus b cos theta the whole square. Our intention is to eliminate theta now. So to eliminate theta, we have to consider the given curve. So what is our given curve? R is equals to a plus b cos theta. Here you are having b cos theta. I have to eliminate this cos theta. Okay, so to eliminate cos theta, here I am having b cos theta. Here also I am having b cos theta. So you can find b cos theta value, or else find what is cos theta from this curve. Either of that. Here directly I am getting b cos theta. So I have shifted only r this side, a this side. So I will get r minus a. So for b cos theta, I will substitute r minus a. And here if you observe a plus b cos theta, a plus b cos theta is what? R. Directly you substitute here. So you will get here a square plus 2a into, this is r minus a plus b square upon r square. Now multiplying this 2a inside, 2ar minus 2a square plus b square upon r square. Hence 2ar as it is, a square minus 2a square, it will become minus b square, a square, and plus b square upon r square. Shifting this r square multiplying, it will become r raised to 4. Shifting this r raised to 4 this side and p square this side, we will get the required pedal equation. Thank you.